Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a very new topic, that is from chapter 3 from part 1 mathematics 10 standard textbook, chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. See, in your previous years, like in 8th standard and 9th standard, you people have learned about linear equation. And you all know that what is linear equation. Linear equation is nothing but an equation whose degree is 1. For example, I have in introduction part of this chapter I have written here, there are linear equation. We are learning, your chapter name is pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair in the sense two equation. Okay. Now, linear equation in one variable. Let us see what is linear equation in one variable. An equation which involves only one variable with highest power 1. That is degree 1. Degree is nothing but highest power. So, for example, I have taken here 5x plus 18 is equals to 3x plus 4. Here you can see variable is only x. So, linear equation in one variable and power is 1 only, highest degree is 1. So, linear equation in one variable 1, that is x, and linear equation in the sense power 1, highest degree is 1. So, this is about linear equation in one variable. So, let us see now linear equation in two variable. An equation which involves two variable with highest power 1 degree. Linear means power 1. So, here for example, 3x plus y is equals to 7. You can see here x as well as y, two variables. So, x, y, we can see two variable and it is linear because power is 1. Okay, so this is about linear equation, just previous knowledge. Now, we are learning pair of linear equation in two variable. Pair of linear equation in two variables. So, the general form of pair of linear equation in two variables are a1x plus b1y plus c1. Two equations will be there, pair. So, 1 a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. We have to mention like this. This is the general form of pair of linear equation. Okay. So, 1 marks, you may get 1 marks question like write the general form of pair of linear equation. Nothing but a1x plus b1y plus c1 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. This is nothing but pair of linear equation general form. So, standard form. Now, let us see what we have to study here in this chapter. There are various methods to solve this linear equation, pair of linear equation. So, here in your textbook they have given graphical method, substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. These are the 4 methods in which we can find out the solution for linear equation, pair of linear equation. But due to this pandemics, like this year, everything like online classes, something like that, the portion is reduced. You all have come across that your maths portion is reduced. NCERT 10 standard state board syllabus maths portion is reduced. So, from this chapter, substitution method is eliminated. This method is removed. Substitution method they have removed and cross multiplication they have removed. They have reduced these two topics. Substitution method and cross multiplication method. Based on these two topics, 3.3 exercise and 3.5 exercise is reduced. These two exercises removed. So now only the two method is left out, graphical method and elimination method. Graphical method in which you will have graph. You have to do the graph and you know how important graph is. Okay, regarding graphical method, I will teach you in my next videos. But in this, now we will start with elimination method. So elimination method, I'll do one example based on elimination method. So we are going to solve the problem on elimination method. Why? Substitution method and cross multiplication is reduced. And graphical I will do later on. Elimination method, I am doing one example. Then we will go for exercise problems. Okay. So one example I'll take any question, like I'll take one question. X plus y is equals to 14. And always there will be two equations. Why? Because we are solving pair of linear equation. When the word pair, then you have two equation. X minus y is equals to 4. Okay. Now let us consider this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. We get, what we will get? Let us see. X plus y is equals to 14. I'll write as it is. X minus y is equals to 4. Okay. So we can see in this equation we have y and y same, as well as x also x. Both the equation x also is there, y also is there. But here we can see 1 plus sign, 1 minus sign get cancels. You know that. So here we can't cancel because sign, both sign are same. So x plus x is 2x is equals to 14 plus 44 is 18. X is equals to 18 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 9s are 18. X value what we got? 9. Now what we have to do? Put this x is equals to 9 in any one equation. Put x is equals to 9 in either, if you want you can put in the equation 1 or 2. I'll take equation 1 in 1. So x plus y is equals to 14. X value is 9. 9 plus y is equals to 14. Y is equals to 14 minus 9. Y is equals to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. Y is equals to 5. We got y value as 5. This is just one example of elimination method I have solved. But here in exercise you have different problems. Even you have word problems too. So elimination method, I'll show you the textbook now. Even you people, when you watch my video, open your textbook. See, this is the pair of linear equation chapter. This is just an introduction part. Here, first method I told you, graphical method. This is the graphical method pages which I will solve in my next videos. 3.1 is a graph and 3.2 also is a graph based on graphical method. So 3.1 and 3.2 exercise I will solve in my next videos. Now we are going to do 3.3 is based on substitution method. You can see, solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution method, which is not there. Okay. Then next we are going for elimination method, which is the important method. So based on this, now this exercise 3.4. So let me write exercise 3.4 and let us see the question. Solve the following linear equation by linear elimination method. So first one problem, let us focus. X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. Okay, I have taken the question. So now let us solve this. Let us consider x plus y is equals to 5 as equation 1 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 4 as equation 2. Now we can see in this both the equation, Nothing is same, like here x is there, here 2x is there, here y, and in this equation minus 3y. So we cannot cancel anything in this equation. Like how we in previous equation we directly cancelled the y and y, but here we cannot cancel. To eliminate, cancellation is nothing but eliminating. To eliminate any one variable, what we have to do, you know, this nothing means 1. First equation, first number we have to multiply to second equation. The whole equation should be multiplied by this 1. And second equation, first number, that is 2, we have to multiply to equation 1. So first equation coefficient we have to multiply to equation 1, and second equation coefficient we have to multiply to equation 1. Like cross we have to do. Okay, let us solve. How we will get now? 2 ones are 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, plus sign as it is. 2 into y, 2y, is equals to 2 5s are 10. 1 into 2, 2. 1 3s are 1 into 2x, 2x, plus minus minus. 1 into 3y, 3y, is equals to 1 4s are 4. Now we can solve this 1 and 2. See here we can see 2x, 2x we have, but we have same sign. When we have same sign, we cannot cancel. So let me change the sign. Minus, here plus sign. Second equation sign we have to change. This is the second equation. So we have to change the sign of second equation. So I'll change here plus sign, I have taken minus. Here minus sign, I'll take plus, and here nothing means plus, we have to take minus. Now we have to focus on this sign. For second equation, what sign I have taken in the bracket, right? That we have to focus. We should not see this sign. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 minus get eliminate. I have cancelled. Okay. This gone. Now plus plus. What we have to do? Plus 3 plus 2, 5y, is equals to 1 plus and 1 minus. We have to do minus. 10 minus 4 is nothing but 6. Y is equals to 6 by 5. What we got? Y value we got 6 by 5. Now put y is equals to 6 by 5 in equation 1 or 2, whichever you want. Put y is equals to 6 by 5 in equation 1. Okay, I'll take equation 1. X plus y is equals to 5. This equation only you should take. When you put the values now, you have to put in the given equation. Okay. X we don't know. We have to find y value. Just now we got 6 by 5 is equal to 5. Now x value we want. So I'll take this 6 by 5 this side. It becomes minus 5 as it is. Plus 6 by 5 if I take this side, minus 6 by 5. So x is equal to, now this 5 we have to multiply here. 5 5s are 25 minus 6 by complete 5. Why? Because we have multiplied here. So x is equals to 25 minus 6 is nothing but 19. 19 by 5. So we got the value of x, that is 19 by 5, and we got the value of y, 6 by 5. Got it? Now second one problem you have to try yourself, which is exactly same. So you have to try yourself same method. Okay. Let me see the third one problem now. Third one question. Question number 3. Second one you are going to try this. Okay. Third one, 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Now the question is given, but we know that the standard form of pair of linear equation is ax then y then equals to constant. So let us arrange this properly. 3x I will write here only, minus 5y I will write here only, but constant I will take that side. So minus 4 if I take this side, it becomes plus 4. Equation 1. So this also we will write now. 9x I will write here only. 2y I should bring here, that plus 2y if I bring here it will become minus 2y is equal to 7. I am keeping here only. This is equation 2. Now we can see here nothing can be eliminated because nothing is same here. So to eliminate this, what we have to do? 3 first constant we have to multiply to this, and 9 we will multiply here, like how I have done in the previous problem. 3 to the next equation, 9 to the next equation. Okay. Now let me multiply. 9 3s are 27x minus 9 5s are 45y is equals to 9 4s are 36. 3 9s are 27x minus 3 2s are 6y is equals to 3 7s are 21. So this we got the equation now. Now let us solve this equation. We got here 27x, 27x, but both are what? Positive sign. We have to change the second equation sign. Plus sign means minus. Here minus we have, what we have to do? Plus. Here plus we have minus. Okay. Now we can eliminate 27x, 27x. So let us solve now 45 minus 6. Now 1 minus 1 plus we have to do minus. 45 minus 6. We know 45 minus 6 if we do we will get 39. Greater sign is minus because greater number is having 45 is having minus sign. So minus is equals to 36 minus 21. 6 minus 1 5. 3 minus 2. So here greater sign is positive. So I will write positive sign. So y is equals to minus 15 by 39. Now it get cancelled. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. What we got y value? Y is equals to minus. We can see here y value is minus 5 by 13. Now what we have to do? This minus 5 by 13. Put in equation 1. Put y is equals to minus 5 by 13 in equation 1 or 2, whichever you want we can take. So I'll take equation 1. 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. 3x as it is we will write minus 5. Y value what we have to take? Minus 5 by 13. Is equals to 4. 3x is equals to minus minus is plus. 5 5s are 25 by 13 is equal to 4. Now 3x is equal to 4 minus 25 by 13. Okay. 13 4s are we have to multiply. 3x is equals to 13 4s are 3 4s are 12. 4 1s are 4, 5. 52 minus 25 by 13. So now what we have to solve next is 13 into 3. 13 3s are 39x is equals to, we have to do 52 minus 25. If we do 52 minus 25, we will get 27. So next here I am doing. So I don't have space over here. I will do here. If I will turn page, you will get confused. So I am not turning the page and I am doing here only. X is equal to 27 by 39. We know it will go in which table? 9 table, 3 table. 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So we got x value is 9 by 13. Y value we got, I'll clearly show one time. Y value minus 5 by 13 we got, x value we got 9 by 13. So this completes the third one problem. Let me try now fourth one. I'll do fourth one problem. Okay. So fourth one question is bit different. Let us see the question 4. Here see, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equals to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equals to 3. Let me write this question now. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equals to 3. Okay, let me solve this equation now. Let us cross multiply this. Okay, 3 into x, 3x, because it is not in the standard form. They have given in the fraction form. Like we have to make this as in the standard form. 3 into x, 3x plus 2 2s are 4y. Okay, upon 3 2s are 6 is equals to minus 1 as it is. Now 3x plus 4y as it is. 6 into minus 1. 6 into minus 1. 6 ones are 6 minus 6. This let us consider equation 1. Likewise, same this side what we have to do. 3 into x, 3x minus y as it is. Because nothing means 1 if we consider. 3 into x, 3x, 1 into y minus y. 3 ones are 3 is equal to 3. Now 3x minus y as it is equal to 3 3s are 9. Equation 2. Solving 1 and 2 we get now. Let us solve 1 and 2. 3x plus 4y is equals to minus 6. 3x minus y is equal to 9. Here we can see 3x we have. Need not require to multiply equation 1 to this and equation 2 to this. Not required to multiply because already we have got same variable. So, but both have plus sign. We need to change the sign of second equation so that we can eliminate. Plus sign will become minus. Minus sign will become plus. Plus sign will become minus. Now 3x get eliminated. Plus we have to do plus. 4 plus 1 5y. Positive sign is greater number is having positive sign. So 5y. Now minus also plus. We should know that. This is the basic things which you have learned in the integer. Plus we have to do plus. Minus also we have to do plus, but sign should be minus. Okay. Then what we have to do? 9 plus 6 15. But sign will be minus now here. Because minus plus, but sign will be minus. Y is equals to minus 15 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 3s are 15. Y value what we got? Minus 3. Now put, what we have to do? Put y is equals to minus 3 in equation 1. Okay, I'll write equation 1. 3x plus 4y is equals to minus 6. Okay, I'll substitute 3x as it is plus 4. Y value is minus 3 is equals to minus 6. 3x plus minus 4 3s are 12 is equals to minus 6. 3x is equals to minus 6 as it is minus 12. I'll bring this side, it becomes plus 12. 3x is equals to 1 plus 1 minus means we have to do minus. 12 minus 6 is 6. Greater sign is positive, so positive. X is equals to 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. X value what we got? 2. X value we got 2 and y value we got minus 3. So in my next video I am going to continue these word problems till just statement problems we have completed. Like these problems we have completed till 4. Now in my next video I am going to continue with this word problem. Okay, statement problem where you will find the statements. 5 problems they have given. In my next video I'll continue. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.